Hi guys and welcome back to Geography Time. So today's video is about recording weather. So these are the components and devices. To record temperature, we use the 6's thermometer. To record pressure, use the barometer. To record precipitation, we use the rain gauge. To record wind direction, we use the wind vane. To detect wind speed, we use the anemometer. So this is the 6's thermometer to measure temperature. So there is a minimum, maximum. The minimum is the left limb. The maximum is the right limb. There are two indexes, and there's mercury and alcohol. So the maximum means heat. So the mercury pumps up at the maximum. That means it's hot. And at the minimum means cold. So when the mercury pumps up at the minimum, it means it's cold. This is the barometer to measure pressure. So this is the internal view. As you can see, there is atmospheric pressure. So because of the atmospheric pressure, the mercury comes up again, or pumps up. So mercury is used because it is a good conductor of heat and is a metal. So metals are good conductors of heat. Humidity. So humidity means the water vapor in the air. So what is a dew point? So dew point is the atmospheric temperature varying humidity. There are small water droplets. Clouds. So clouds are made up from the evaporation of water. Some examples of low clouds are stratus and cumulus. And some examples of middle clouds are nimbostratus and altostratus. Some examples of high clouds are cirrus and cirrostratus. And the biggest cloud is cumulonimbus. So these were the main types of clouds. So clouds are measured in octaves. So there's 0 octaves to sky obstructed, as you can see on this chart. Precipitation. So precipitation is like the water gets evaporated and turns into clouds and falls back onto the earth. For example, snow, rain, sleet, hail, and etc. So rain is measured by a rain gauge. So this is how rain gauge works. So you keep a rain gauge in the rain and it starts to fill. Then at the end of the rain, you see the number that it has reached. For example, it is 10. So in the specific area, 10 milliliters has fallen. So wind direction. To measure wind direction, we use a weather vane. So this is how a weather vane works. So these are the basic directions: north, south, east, and west. So while the wind is blowing, there's an arrow. So the arrow points at a direction, and that is the direction where the wind is heading. So isoyates and isotherms. So isoyates is the equal amount of rainfall at a particular place, and isotherms is the equal amount of temperature at a particular place. So this is the water cycle. So the clouds give down rain, and the water from the rain gets evaporated and forms clouds in the sky. So the clouds again give down rain, and this is the water cycle.